Today we're going to learn to play the song Waltz. Right, so what is a waltz? A waltz was an old-fashioned dance. It was in 3 times. If you tapped your foot, it would feel like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what it sounds like. Look at the first 2 bars. Let's break it down. So you see that these are the tabs. You have 2 strings being played at the same time because they're stacked up this way. Alright, so let's find our fingerings and our strings for the first 2 bars. So you're going to put your finger on the 7th fret of the A string, or the first string. And the C string you're going to play open. So you're going to play these 2 strings at the same time. So 7 and 0 on the C. So you're going to play 7, 0, and then you're going to play the open strings of the E and the G 2 times. Alright, so it's going to go 7, 7. Right, so that's the beginning. So find it again. Put your bottom string, first string, 7th fret, and you're going to play the opposite string here, C string and the A string 7th at the same time once. And then you're going to play the E string and the G string, these 2 times. Right, so for the beginning it goes right, so go ahead and practice that much. So the third measure, the third bar goes like this. You're going to play these same 2 strings, the A string 7th, the C string open, or the 3rd string, 1 and 3. So you're going to play 7, same strings, 5, 3, 0, 0. So you're going to play the same 2 strings again, 7, 5, 3, 0. So from the beginning it goes 7, 5, 3, 0. The second line, the next 2 bars, you're going to finger G7. So you're going to put your pointer finger on the 2nd string from the bottom, or the E string 1st fret, C string 2nd fret, A string 2nd fret, and that's your G7 chord. But you're going to hold those fingers there, and you're going to pick the A string and the C string once, and then the C string and the G string 2 times. Right, so again it's going to go right, so you play the 1st and the 3rd strings and the 2nd and the 4th strings. Alright, and then the next part of the second line, 2, 0, 2. So you keep your fingering on this G7 and watch this finger. You're going to go these same 2 strings on, off, on. So watch that again. On, off, on. We're still playing strings 1 and 3. So the whole second line goes like this. On, off, on. Alright, so from the beginning you've got 7, 5, 3, 0. Then you finger your G7 triangle chord. On, off, on. Right, then the third line, you're going to finger your C chord. So 3rd finger on the A string, or the 1st string here, and you're going to play the 1st and the 3rd strings. Alright, and the next part, you're going to go 3, 2, 0. Alright, so the whole third line is 3, 2, 0. line is just like the second line. You finger the G7 and you play strings 1 and 3 and then 2 and 4. On, off, on, and then the fifth, the outro, finger C. So all the way from the beginning, you start in the 7. G7. C. 3, 2, 0, G7. On, off, on, C. Alright, that's the whole thing. Go back and practice as much as you need to.